Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Shiksha Classes. So like and subscribe. As you know that in the first video I had shared one video of class 7 chapter 1 nutrition in plants. So in that video I told the chapter and I told that in the next video I will tell you the exercises. So this is the next video of nutrition in plants, nutrition in plants exercise. Okay, part second. So let's start guys. So you can see the screen share on my mobile. So you can see question number 1. Why do organisms take food? Okay, so this means that living organism, why they take food? Okay, so in first answer is, we see the first answer. Okay, the first answer is organism need food to get energy, build up body repair damages in the body and maintain the function of the body. That means in this answer, that means that all living organism need food to get energy. Okay, build up body repair in the body and maintain the function of the body. Okay, so this is because the food is essential for all living organism. So let's move to the second question. Yes, the second question is, distinguish between a parasite and a saprotroph. Okay, so we have to, this means that we have to distinguish between parasite and saprotroph. Okay, so let's see the second question answer. Okay, the second question answer, you can see one column, in one column parasite and second column saprotrophs. In parasite we have written that first point is parasite derives nutrients from the living organism. Parasite mostly live on or in the host. Example, कुस्कुट्टा. ठीक है, this means that parasite derives nutrients from the living organism. Parasite mostly, okay, mostly live or in the host, which is or in the host. Okay, example, you could say kuskutta. Next column, in the next column, that is saprotrophs. Okay, saprotrophs, first point, you can see saprotrophs derive nutrients from dead and decaying organism. Okay, and the second point is they live on dead and decaying organism. Okay, this means that saprotrophic derive nutrients from dead and decaying organism, and they live on dead and decaying organism. Okay, they live also in the dead and decaying organism. Okay, you could say the example like mushroom. Okay, mushroom. Let's move to the third question. Okay, third question is, how would you test the presence of starch in leaves? Okay, how would you test? You have to test to know the presence of starch in leaves. Okay, so what is the answer? So let's check the answer, and how you test, this is also given in the answer. Okay, question number 3, you can see question number 3 answer. When iodine comes in contact with starch, a dark blue color appears. By dropping iodine solution on the leaves, we can check the presence of starch. Okay, this means that when iodine liquid comes in contact with starch. Okay, in contact with starch, a dark blue color forms, a dark blue color appears. By dropping the iodine solution on the leaves, we can check the presence of starch. Okay, we can check the presence of starch. You know that how to test the presence of starch. So let's go to the question number 4. Yes, question number 4 is, give a brief description of the process of photosynthesis of food in green plants. So I think you have to make the diagram. As you know, as your wish, you can make a diagram also, and you can make a question answer also. Okay, I would say I make a diagram. Okay, I make a diagram. Let's see the diagram which I make. Okay, you can see this is the diagram. This is the photosynthesis process which a plant grow, and in the root, in the soil, root are present, and root water and minerals, root absorb water and minerals, and uh, this is the diagram of photosynthesis. You can draw it and take the screenshot for drawing it. Okay, so this is the which question? This is the fourth question. Okay, let's move to the fifth question. Let's move to the fifth question. Okay, show with the help of a sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. ये ultimate source of food. ठीक है, तो आपको मैंने ये क्वेश्चन किया नहीं है. ठीक है, तो मैंने ये क्वेश्चन नहीं किया है. ओके, सो इसका जो आंसर है, गिव अ ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द प्रोसेस ऑफ सिंथेसिस. इसका जो ये है आंसर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर मैं आपको अभी दिखाती हूँ. आप उसको भी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. देखिए, ये है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर. यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. That is, leaves are the food factory of plant. The synthesis food in the plant occurs in leaves. Therefore, all the raw materials, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight must reach 3 water and minerals are transported. Okay, to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes throughout the roots, the stem, the branches, and the leaves. Okay, the leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this is the question 4 answer. Let's move to question 5. Okay, question 5 is, show with the help of a sketch that plants are the ultimate source of food. That means you have to show the sketch that plants show that plants are the ultimate source of food. Okay, so in the question number 5th, see the answer. Okay, you can see the answer. Question number 5. This is a small diagram, a grass and grasshopper and a mouse and a housefly. Okay, so this is the question 5th answer. Okay, you can write and you can draw also. This is the question 5th answer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Yes, question number 2 is question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Question number 6 is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Let's move to the fill in the blanks. 1. Okay, A part. Green plants are called okay, are called dash since they synthesize their own food. Okay, green plant are called autotrophs. Okay, green plant are called autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. Okay, so let's move to the B question. Okay, so this is the fill in the blanks. You can see green plants are also called autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. Okay, so this is the first question. Write down the second question of fill in the blanks. The food synthesized by the plant is stored as starch. Okay, so starch is the answer. Let's move to the third. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, we have learned. In photosynthesis, solar energy is captured by the pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, so this is the third question. Let's move to the fourth question. Yes. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release which gas? Oxygen gas. Okay. So this is the 4 question. Let's move to the question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7 is name the following. Name the following. Okay. The question number 7. Let's see question number 7. First part. A parasitic plant with yellow sunder, yellow cylinder and branch stem. Okay. ब्रांच स्टेम दिस इज कुस्कुट्टा. ओके, ए पार्ट में आपको लिखना है कुस्कुट्टा. लेट्स मूव टू द बी पार्ट. अ प्लांट दैट इज पार्शियली ऑटोट्रॉप्स. विच प्लांट? The plant is partially autotrophic. It is pitcher plant. Okay, let's move to the C. The pores through which leaves exchange gases. Okay, the pores through which leaves exchange gases is called what? Is called stomata. Okay, is called stomata. So let's move to the question number. Let's move to the question number 8. Take the correct answer. Okay, take the correct answer. Wait a second, guys. Guys, so wait a second. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स में आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 जो है, यस, जो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर, मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया है तो आप यहीं से आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देख सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज मैच द आइटम्स गिवन इन कॉलम 1 विथ दोज इन कॉलम 2. सो लेट्स मैच. ओके, द कॉलम 1 में है क्लोरोफिल, नाइट्रोजन, कुस्कुट्टा, एनिमल्स, इंसेक्ट. रिजोबियम, हेट्रोट्रॉप्स. कॉलम सेकेंड में है रिजोबियम, हेट्रोट्रॉप्स, पिक्चर प्लांट, लीफ, पैरासाइट. ओके, पिक्चर प्लांट, लीफ, पैरासाइट. ओके, सो इन दिस chlorophyll. Okay, this match the following. You can also do with your own. Okay, you can also do with your own. Let's move to the question number 2. Okay, let's move to the question number 2. Not second, question number 10. So the question number 10 is mark true if the statement is true and false if it is false. Okay, first is carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. Okay, carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. गाइस, हम क्वेश्चन 9 भी कर लेंगे क्योंकि मैच दी फॉलोइंग आपको पूरे अच्छे तरह से समझ आना चाहिए, तो हम क्वेश्चन 9 भी कर लेंगे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप मैच दी फॉलोइंग देख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्लोरोफिल. ओके, क्लोरोफिल का क्या होगा? क्लोरोफिल किस में प्रेजेंट रहता है? क्लोरोफिल रहता है लीफ में प्रेजेंट रहता है. ओके, क्लोरोफिल जो रहता है वो लीफ में प्रेजेंट होता है, तो इसका क्लोरोफिल का जो मैच द फॉलोइंग होगा वो होगा लीफ. ओके, सो नाइट्रोजन. अब नाइट्रोजन किस में रहता है? नाइट्रोजन रिजोबियम में रहता है. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन रिजोबियम में रहता है, तो सेकंड का आंसर हो जाएगा रिजोबियम. एंड कुस्कुट्टा इज यू नो डैट पैरासाइट, एंड थर्ड का पैरासाइट हो जाएगा. और एनिमल्स. ओके, तो एनिमल्स एनिमल आप देख रहे हैं कि वो हेट्रोट्रॉप्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एनिमल हेट्रोट्रॉप्स हो जाएगा. और जो इंसेक्ट है वो पिक्चर प्लांट में आ जाएगा. लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन 10. मार्क ट्रू और फॉल्स. ओके, सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वाला जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज रिलीज ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस. ओके, तो ये फॉल्स है क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जब फोटोसिंथेसिस होता है तो वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज नहीं करता है, तो ये फॉल्स है. ओके, प्लांट्स विच सिंथेसाइज देयर फूड आर कॉल्ड सेप्टोट्रॉप्स. ओके, तो इसका भी हम लोग का फॉल्स हो जाएगा क्योंकि जो प्लांट है वो प्लांट विच सिंथेसाइज देयर फूड आर कॉल्ड, जो प्लांट उसे हम सेप्टोट्रॉप्स नहीं कहते हैं, तो ये भी फॉल्स हो जाएगा. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द थर्ड वन. Yes. Third one is the product of photosynthesis is not a protein. ठीक है, तो इसका जो है आंसर वो ट्रू हो जाता है क्योंकि वो प्रोटीन नहीं रहता है. और सोलार एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस. जो सोलार एनर्जी है केमिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है फोटोसिंथेसिस के दौरान. तो इसका भी हम लोग का हो जाएगा, ट्रू हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Let's move to the question number 11. Choose the correct option from the following. Which part of the plant take in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? इसका आंसर हम लोग का हो जाएगा, क्या होगा, स्टोमेटा. ओके, तो इसका आंसर हम लोग का स्टोमेटा हो गया. और लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा, इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हम लोग का लीव्स. ओके, तो इसका आंसर हम लोग का लीव्स हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसका आंसर लीव हो जाएगा क्योंकि प्लांट्स टेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर. जो प्लांट है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं किसके थ्रू, वो लेते हैं लीव्स के थ्रू. ओके, सो गाइस हम लोग का एंडिंग यहाँ पे था इस चैप्टर का. तो हम अगले वीडियो में चैप्टर 2 का साइंस चैप्टर 2 न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स बताएंगे. न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स था, न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल बताएंगे. सो प्लीज़ गाइस सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक टू माय चैनल. एंड अगर आप नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक कर दीजिए. और जो आपको डाउट है वो आप कमेंट कीजिए, मैं उसके आंसर देने की कोशिश करूँगी और डेफिनेटली दूँगी. ओके, सो आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप उसमें चैट बॉक्स में उसमें कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. बाय गाइज, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल.